Hi everyone, my name is Mike. Welcome to my channel, and if you're new here, I'm so glad you've stopped by. This channel is a little corner where we can slow down and enjoy the simple things in life. I'll be sharing the peaceful beauty of my province, from quiet mornings and beautiful landscapes to the small moments that often go unnoticed. Along the way, I also tell real life stories and experiences that have shaped my journey. So, grab a cup of coffee or tea, get comfortable, and let's enjoy these peaceful moments together. I hope my videos bring you a little sense of calm, warmth, and inspiration wherever you are. Our journey begins with this unique and peaceful chapel. Made entirely from bamboo, it is truly a breathtaking sight. You can feel the dedication and effort that went into creating a place this beautiful. Every detail reflects the care, passion, and craftsmanship of the people who built it, making this a meaningful and inspiring step along our journey. As we wander through this place, I want to take a quiet moment to share with you a little part of my journey, the story of what led me here before I started creating this kind of content. This journey means a lot to me. It's filled with hopes, doubts, lessons, and the small moments that shape the person I am today. I want to share this with you not just as a story, but as a piece of my heart. I hope you'll stay with me throughout this video and allow me to share this chapter of my life with you. At first, I thought that after graduating from college and earning my professional license, a big opportunity would already be waiting for me. I imagined that everything would naturally fall into place and that the path ahead would be clear and easy. But as I continued my journey, I learned that life doesn't always unfold the way we expect. Sometimes, we need patience, courage, and faith while waiting for the right opportunities to come. Every step, every challenge, and every lesson along the way is part of the becoming the person we are meant to be. As time went by, opportunities started coming my way, even though they were not exactly aligned with the career path or profession I had originally planned for myself. Instead of feeling discouraged, I choose to see them as a beginning. I embrace these moments as stepping stones, trusting that every experience has something to teach me, and every small step can lead me closer to where I am meant to be. During that time, I felt deeply grateful because I had finally found a job. It meant so much to know that I could finally start giving back to my family and support them, even in a small ways, as a way of acknowledging them for all the sacrifices they made to help me finish my education. It was also the beginning of making some of my long-time dreams come true, being able to buy the things I had always wanted while slowly saving and preparing for the future. Looking back, it reminds me that every small step forward is worth appreciating and that gratitude makes the journey even more meaningful. As the months turned into years of working, I slowly began to notice how repetitive my daily routine had become. Every morning felt the same, and waking up so early just to prepare for work gradually became one of the biggest challenges of my day. It wasn't just about getting out of bed, it was the quiet feeling of starting another day on the same path, longing for a little more peace and balance. There are days when I feel like I'm doing my best at work, giving everything I can, but somehow it feels like something is missing within me. Even after I leave work and head home, those thoughts don't stay behind. I carry them with me all the way home. They linger in my mind, and even when I close my eyes to sleep, my mind still feels wide awake. Sometimes it feels like my body is resting, but my thoughts never really do. Then morning comes, and it feels like I never had a real break before I have to get up and face another day at work. I'm learning that sometimes the hardest part isn't the work itself, it's finding peace within ourselves after the work is done. And maybe that's okay. Maybe healing starts by simply acknowledging how we feel and allowing ourselves to slow down one day at a time. There comes a time when we realize that some chapters are meant to end. As difficult as it may be, we have to let go and choose to move forward. That's why I decided to resign and walk away. It wasn't an easy choice, and I took the risk without having a backup plan. All I carried with me was faith that this ending is also the beginning of something new. I trust that this path will lead me to new opportunities, meaningful experiences, and the growth I've been hoping for. Sometimes, the bravest step we can take is to believe that what lies ahead is worth the uncertainty. After I finished my turnover period, I suddenly felt a sense of lightness in my heart. It was the kind of feeling that made me realize I was finally free. For the first time in a while, I could sleep without carrying so many thoughts and wake up without feeling like I had to rush into anything. It felt peaceful, like I finally had the space to breathe, rest, and simply enjoy the moment. But of course, those moments were only temporary. Soon, I'll need to find a job again so I can continue supporting my family, myself, and start saving for the future. For now, I'll cherish and make the most of these quiet moments, allowing myself to rest and appreciate the season of life before stepping into another new challenge ahead. A few months have passed since I became unemployed, but I still couldn't decide when I was ready to start looking for a job again. There were moments when doubt and uncertainty slowly came in. I found myself asking, is this really the career meant for me? Why does it feel like I'm starting to lose the passion I once had for my profession? I am really willing to let go of the license I worked so hard for. These were the thoughts and questions that stayed with me during those quiet moments. It was a season of reflection where I tried to understand what I truly wanted and where I wanted my journey to go next. Until that day came, it felt like there was still something waiting for me to discover, a different path that would allow me to open my mind and share more of who I truly am. One day, while taking a quiet walk behind our house, surrounded by the simple beauty of our province, I realized something. Maybe I should start sharing my own life story here. And that moment became the beginning of my first vlog. From that first step, I slowly found my way. And now, I get to create travel vlogs, exploring beautiful places near my hometown and sharing the simple moments, stories, and experiences that make this journey meaningful. I know there will be people who may judge the decision I made, but I choose to trust in the Lord. knowing that He has been guiding me every step of the way until now. I may not know exactly where this journey will lead me. There may be uncertainties and no clear guarantees, but I believe in the beauty of miracles that come from every effort, every sacrifice, and every dedication we give to something we truly love. This experience has taught me to appreciate the little things, peaceful mornings, simple moments, and the joy found in a life that feels more connected and meaningful. It may be a simple dream and a simple way of living, but the difference it has brought to my life is something I deeply value, especially compared to the years I spent in the corporate world. Thank you for staying with me until the end. If this video gave you a peaceful moment, I'm truly grateful. You can subscribe and join me as I continue my journey through the province. I'll see you around.